Okay, now hopefully we have sound. The this is number 5, it was asked. And before we do number 5, I just want to talk to you about the two main things that you're going to be doing with vectors. You're either going to be finding, if you have a point A is 3, 2, 1, and a point B is, oh, let's say 7, 5, 3, okay? AB is a vector going from point A to point B. So which is the head and which is the tail? B is the head and A is the tail. So we always go head minus tail. So 7 minus 3 is 4, 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. That is the direction vector AB. So one thing you got to be able to do is take 2 points, find a vector AB. Everybody's clear on that? Head minus tail. The other thing we do is we make a line. Okay? And the line has an XY, Z to it usually, but then it has a point and it has a direction vector. So in this case, if we're doing a line through point A going through B, you can pick either A or B for this one. Jake, which point do you like better, A or B? A. Oh, good choice. 3, 2, 1. Nice. That's the point, and then we need a direction vector going from A to B. What's the direction vector? 4, 3, 2, right? We did A, B. Don't pick B because that's just another point. But direction vector A, B, 4, 3, 2. Now we have a line that we can do whatever we want to. Maybe instead of lambda, we have t here. And that's going to give us time delays like 3 seconds, 4 seconds. Do those two topics, concepts resonate? Do you see how important those are? Being able to find a direction vector and be able to find a line. If you can see the difference between those, these are going to all look like they're the same. So this one, find AB, head minus tail. B is the head. 3 minus 1, 2. 1 minus 5, negative 4. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. That's vector AB. Vector AD, so head minus tail. 3 minus 1, K minus 5. 2 minus 4, right? So this is going to be vector AD. Okay? Show that K equals 7. Well, we could show that because AB and AD are what to each other? Perpendicular, so their dot product equals 0. Perpendicular, what's the cosine of 90? 0. So that's why the dot product equals 0. So you just take AB, which is 2, negative 4, negative 2, dot product that with 2, K minus 5, and negative 2 should be equal to 0. So you get 4 minus 4K plus 20 plus 4 equals 0. 28 minus negative 4K plus 28 equals 0. Well, I bet K is going to be 7. And that's what it was supposed to be. That wasn't the part you had trouble with, right? Part you had trouble with was this part C. So for part C, find the point C and such that BC is equal to 1/2 AD. So here's what I would do. I would list point A, and I'd list point D. A is 1, 5, 4. D is 3, 7, and 2. Notice that I let K equal to 7 because we found that. So what's AD then? 2, 2, negative 2. So to get from A to D, right, I'm going to go 2, 2, negative 2. All right, what if I only wanted to go halfway there? What would I add? Yeah, it'd be half that. So this would be, if we're going half of it, we're going to add half of that. So let's do this with b. b now, b is going to be 312, okay? And we're going to add half of that. We're going to add half of 2, half of 2, half of negative 2. And that's going to give us my point C, which is going to be 3 plus 1 is 4, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. Is point C 421? I think it is. I think it is. Yep. All right. So then it says find the cosine of AB, BC. So once we have this C, I need to know what BA is, and I need to know what BC is. Okay? BA is no problem because AB is 2, negative 4, negative 2. This is just going to be negative 2, positive 4, positive 2. BC is 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. That's the part we added, right? And so this is the square root of 3. This is the square root of 1624. Okay? And so if you want to figure out what that angle is, you're just going to go negative 2, negative 2. Oh, wait a minute. What's negative 2 plus 4 minus 2? 0 over the square root of 72. And cosine, what's the only angle that's going to get me an angle of 0? 90. Did we kind of know this already, though? Yeah, we did. It was 90. All right.